Welcome to Changsheng Import and Export Company, Limited. I am Chance. Today, Chance will introduce ceramic Intalox saddle ring to you. Ceramic Intalox saddle ring is a kind of ceramic random packing. It is processed by continuous extrusion process. Compared with the rash ring packing of the same material, it has the advantages of large flux and high efficiency. Ceramic Intalox saddle has excellent acid resistance and heat resistance. It can resist to corrosion of various inorganic acids, organic acids and organic solvents except hydrofluoric acid, and can be used in high or low temperature conditions. Consequently, the application range is very wide. It can be used in the drying columns, absorbing columns, cooling towers, scrubbing towers in chemical industry, metallurgy industry, oil gas industry, oxygen producing industry, etc. The ceramic Intalox saddle ring produced by Changsheng can be customized according to different situations of customers. If you have any questions, please consult our customer service. We are very happy to provide services for you. Finally, if you like, please subscribe, like and comment for us. We'll see you next time.